Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobeleni bathela mazivela eInimba ngomhla ka-14 May. Fikile kudokotela ezochaza ngesimo-ke sokuwa kuka-Azande esho ukuthi uwe 4 meters down, wagcina-ke silimala kama-organs akhe abucayela ngaphakathi esiswini. Yingakho egcine seba ne-internal bleeding, kodwa nayo ayikho that bad. Spine sakhe si-right, kukhombisile nakuma-CT scans nakuma-x-rays. Then wase wahamba kudokotela, okugcina sekwenza nomfundiso abuzisise kahle ukuthi ubani ophushe indodana yakhe. Lazarus kuzamile bandla ukukhava uZoleka, kodwa phela ekugcineni kosuku bekumele kuphume igama. Ushilo ukuthi Dubs, it was not by inhloso lento eyenzakalile, it was a mistake. Zoleka was what? Zoleka what? Like efuna ukubuzisisa kahle ukuthi kanti uZoleka. Wathi Dubs, please. Wathi nguwe kanti? Wathi uyasondela ukumbamba ngama-washing. Wavika uLazarus wathi no Dubs, don't do that. Wathi nguwe, ha? Yabona wena Bikitsha, uloke wafika kulo mndeni wako Ngcukana kuphansi phezulu man. Yakona ulwile Ntombo, wangena kulo mtshado. Wayithatha indawo yakho, kodwa manje ngiyakubona ukuthi ufuna ukusiqhoboza one by one. Wabheka phansi uNonceba. Wathi uyipushelani indodana yami? Wathi uZoleka uyazama ukuchaza. Wathi no, ndixelele. Yabona-ke ndikuzokufundisa abantu. Lento oyenzileyo angeke ungayijezeli ke sisi. Uzojeza, uzobhadala. Wabethatha ifoni. Wathi uthi uyafonela ama-lawyers, wamhlwitha uLazarus. Wathi no Dubs, not here. This is not the place, this is not the time. Awukwazi ukuba ubophise unkosikazi wami esibhedlela. We will sit down as a family and sort this out. Wavuma-ke naye uNonceba. Wathi nawe Nonceba uyavuma, wena kuyigqwetha la endlini, kodwa uyivuma yonke lento le. Hi guys, babane bamxosha nomfundiso bathi akahambe yobona uAzande lapha ewodini kunokuthi aloke ekhuluma ngale ndaba yokubopha-ke uZoleka. Guys, kuthe kusanjalo-ke kwafona abantu balapha eKhosela Tech besisho ukuthi kuno-meeting ebaluleke kabi kumele ngabe baya-attenda-ke bona as ama-bosses, but washo-ke uZoleka ukuthi she can't make it, and so is Lazarus ngoba babhizi badinga idaba libalulekile lomndeni. Ubuzile u-Onga ukuthi what is it about? Wathi i-accident ka-Azande. Wathi is he okay? Wathi uZoleka, yeah, he's in a critical state but he's okay. Wabona uAzande ukuthi uyafisa ngathi kushawe o-RIP lapha ku-Azande cause isitha sakhe esikhulu u-Azande, so mengase nje kuthiwa nje he's no more, hayi u-Onga would celebrate literally. But anyway, akupheli-ke lapho. Ifikile-ke indaba-ke lapha kwistafu, kodwa-ke base babuza umbuzo wadwa ukuthi uqhawekazi yena uzoyithatha yini i-day off naye, ngoba phela yena uyisebenzi khona. Uma ama-bosses ethatha i-day off fuze ngabe nawe yeze emsebenzini-ke yena. Yabona, noma mhlawumbe uzothola i-off yokuhlala naye ngoba phela she's family. Nalawo-ke mazwi agcine seyihlaba inhliziyo ka-Onga, cause uyabona ukuthi noma kuthiwa intambo isele naye, kodwa ufamily ohleze ufamily guys. Ama-families will always get ama-offers more than abasebenzi nje. And uphosha ukubeka kwacaca lokho ukuthi musa ukuthi uhlale lesi sihlalo unethezeke ngoba zolo lokho bakuxosha ofisini lakho wena. So musa lokho wenzela labantu ama-favors amakhulu ngoba bakukhombisile ukuthi you are not blood wena. Yezwa, you are not Ngcukana blood. Anyway, akupheli-ke lapho guys. Hambile kuZoleka lethela umntana wakhe uqhawekazi ukudla. Uqhawe uhlele embhedeni ukugela akafuni ngisho ukumuva. Shawe stress, inkunzi malanga stress. Uyamtshela kuZoleka ukuthi mntanami ukahle. Usethi mama bengingamelanga uxoxe. Wathi no mntanami, I had to protect you. Wathi mama, I was rude to you. I told you I never needed you. You shouldn't have lied. Jonga ngoku umakhulu ucapukele ngenxa yami. Wathi mntanami, I would take millions of bullets for you. Millions of bullets for you. Wathi mama bengingamelanga. Wathi mntanami, you've got a bright future ahead of you. Uyabona lento eyenzakalile, mengase kuthiwa uyaswele ku-Azande, it will be homicide. If evuka kuzothiwa i-attempted murder, so wena vele usecaleni. So ungcono lithathwe yimina leli cala nokuthi lithathwe wena cause wena usasemncinci, awukakayiboni impilo, mina sendiyibonile impilo. Wathi mama, what about you? You also have a life, you have a husband, you have a little baby. What about us? What about me? Ngizokwazi ukusurvive kanjani usetilongeni? Wathi mntanami, jonga andisoze ndayitshintsha into esendiyishilo. I'm not going to change my mind. I will take this fall. not you. Guys, wakhala uqhawe wathi mama, it doesn't help because if uAzande evuka uzokhumbula ukuthi ndimi ndamphutsha ebese yabaxelela vele nyani. Uzoleka. She did not think that far. Uthe memtshela lokho uqhawe wabona ukuthi no man, yazi ngase kuvuka uAzande ngampela yonke le plan abeseyiplanile izobheda. Wamane wamhaga umntanakhe esemhaga nje ngethemba lokuthi the future is blurry. They do not know ukuthi what's gonna happen when uAzande wakes up, but abahlalele ethembeni and hope for the best. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Le esibhedlela ubekhala-ke unomfundisi wekhala kwindodana yakhe ethi mntanami, yandiva mntanami, uzobhadala uzoleka, uzobhadala uzoleka ngento ayenzileyo. Abize-ke bonke abantu-ke bakongcukana ojola inkomo laba, ebabiza esho ukuthi mabavuse indodana yakhe beyisindise. Guys, kuthe kusanjalo wanyakaza umunwe kaAzande. Hayi, lo mfundisi wathi mntanami, yandiva mntanami. Wanyakaza kakhulu umunwe kaAzande. Hayi, wamane wayikhipha imask ufuna phela ukuthi-ke akhulume kahle umntanakhe angavinjwa yilutho. Wathi uvula amehlo uAzande wathi mntanami, kwenzeke ntoni ngixelele. Wamane wathi qhawe. Ayi, gama lokuqala liphuma emlonyweni kaAzande vuka qhawe. Guys, sengathi uqhawe usheshe wayibonela-ke lento ukuthi izokwenzeka-ke. Ugyal usheshe wayipredict-a kaloku. Asazi ukuthi-ke noma wonke umndeni usuphelele uzophinda yini uAzande athi uqhawe lo umdushileyo ebese imosha kiplan kaZoleka leyo bese sithi yena she's going to take a fall for her daughter. Guys, aphela lapho kamazibela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobile ngiphathela amazibela eInimba ngomhla ka 14 May. Fikile kudokotela ezochaza ngesimo-ke sokuwa kukaAzande esho ukuthi uwe 4 meters down, wagcina-ke silimala kama-organs akhe abucayela ngaphakathi esiswini.